If you want to sell your iPhone 11 and you want to make sure it's completely clean so none of your personal contents are in it, in this video we will show you how you can do it. In the first part, we will show you how you can erase all the contents of the iPhone 11, and in the second part, we will show you how you can delete iPhone from your Apple ID, so make sure to watch the whole video. Before you do that, make sure to back up all your data and contents you don't want to lose, because it will erase everything from your iPhone and you will lose them. Launch Settings app. Tap General. Scroll down and tap Reset. Tap Erase all content and settings. Tap Erase now. Enter the passcode if prompted. Tap Erase iPhone. Again tap Erase iPhone. Enter the Apple ID passcode. Tap Erase. Your iPhone will take auto restart and it will open with Hello in different languages. When you are selling the iPhone 11 and you won't use it with your Apple ID anymore, to make sure your Apple Pay or card is removed from it completely, you can remove it from your Apple ID. To do that, open the browser of your PC, go to appleid.apple.com, log in with your Apple ID, scroll down and click on your iPhone 11. Remove this device, click Remove this phone, and it will erase it from the Apple ID. So guys, this is the way you can erase all content and settings from your iPhone 11 so it become as it was out of the box. That's it for now. Hope this video was useful. You can check out our iPhone 11 playlist for more videos about it. Subscribe Apple Tricks for tips and tricks for Apple and Android devices. Thank you.